In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your GitHub Pages site step by step. If you've ever wanted to launch your personal or professional website using GitHub Pages but are unsure how to link it to a custom domain you purchased from GoDaddy, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start by heading over to the GoDaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you've already done this, you should see your user profile icon near the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon and select My Products from the drop-down menu. This section will list all the products and services you have under your GoDaddy account, including any domains you might own. Next, find the domain you wish to connect to your GitHub pages. Typically, this will be listed in a section called Domain inside the My Account area. Click on this section and look for an option that says Portfolio. Clicking this will direct you to a page where all your domains are listed in more detail. Once you're viewing your domain portfolio, click on the specific domain name you intend to connect to your GitHub pages. Doing so will take you into the domain management interface where you can make all necessary adjustments to your domain settings. At this point, you'll want to copy the URL of your GitHub Pages website. You might have already set up your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files on GitHub, generating a default GitHub Pages link based on your repository name. Make sure to keep this link handy as we'll need it soon. Now, back in GoDaddy's domain management interface, look for an option to Add New Record. This is where you'll set up a CNAME record, which is crucial for linking your domain to your GitHub pages. Select this option and choose CNAME as the type from the drop-down menu. This CNAME record will essentially point your custom GoDaddy domain to the specific URL of your GitHub pages. After selecting CNAME, paste your GitHub pages URL into the Value or Points To section of the form. Make sure the name section is filled with www to ensure that it redirects properly. This step is essential as it tells the domain where to find your new website. Once you've ensured all details are correctly entered, hit the Save button to store the changes. And there you have it. Within a few hours, the changes should propagate across the internet, effectively linking your GoDaddy domain to your GitHub Pages site. You should now be able to access your GitHub hosted website simply by typing in your custom domain name. Thank you for watching and happy website building!